Have you been looking for the perfect waffle? Well, here you go. These are perfect for your family and you, and I'm sure you will enjoy. Welcome to Soulful Country Bites, where spices beat your taste buds. I want you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified to get new videos as they come out. Here I have Pearl Milling Company, formerly known as Aunt Jemima's. I have some water and canola oil, and I'm adding a half a cup of the pancake mix, in which you can use any one. And I have 1/4 of a cup, and then kind of 1/8 of a cup as well. And here I will be adding 1.5 teaspoons of the canola oil, and as you will see, I went a little overboard. My hand got a little heavy, so go a little heavy. And I'm gonna add some more water, so I'm gonna do 1/4 of a cup and half of that, which is 1/8 of a cup. So a half and 1/8 of a cup of water, and I'm just going to give it a good whisk around. And as you see, I added like a little bit more water, so that was a half of a 1/4 a cup, so 1/8 cup of water as well. So the kind of consistency is a pasty consistency. That's what I was going for. And now I'm just going to add the mix to the waffle maker. This is a mini waffle maker. And also I didn't put any cooking spray because I was going for more of a bronze waffle and kind of have a little crisp on it. It is actually really good to have a crispy kind of waffle. So here I'm just going to remove the waffle, and as you would see, I'm going to put a fork under the waffle only because I didn't want the steam to get under it and make the waffle soft, if that makes sense. And then I'm just going to go on and pour the next in there as well. So here you are, the perfect waffles. Please comment below on what you like adding to it, whether it's served, compassionate sugar, or any other toppings. Please comment and let me know.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. Like, comment, and share.